Hello and welcome to this video lesson where I'm going to show you how to format your blog posts and pages, and I'm going to click on edit, and then here is the post we made earlier, and I'm going to go over to the formatting options one after the other. The first one right here gives us the ability to compose a post, and that is why it's the active button on this page. So also we have HTML. This is where you can make use of HTML on your post if you know your way around it. So also if we switch back to the compose mode, we can go over to the next icon, which is undo. Let's say I come in here and go back here like this, and I made a mistake like this, and I want to correct my mistake. All I have to do is just click over here. You see how it's going to go back to the normal state, and that is the function of the undo button. And if I want to go back again, I can redo by clicking here, as you can see, and then I can undo. So also over here you have your fonts. If you want to apply any of them, all you have to do is just select the post like this and then apply the font you want. Let's say you want the titles to be different from other parts of the post, like this one. Now if I want the font to be different, I can select that. Then if I go to number 2 over here, and I'm going to come back here and select Verdana. So that is the function of the font. Next on the list is this icon, and this is what is going to control how large the text is going to be. For example, if I select this and I come over here and pick on the largest, you see how it's going to be big than the other text on the page. And if I want to go back to its normal state, I'm going to undo. As you can see, then this one is the one that controls the headings. For example, if you want to use H2 in some part of your post, you can make it a heading. It's going to be bold, and it's going to be more bigger than the normal text. If I select it like this and I apply heading, so let's say if this is a subheading, I can select it also and come back here to apply subheading. So also this is the bold button. If you want to bold any part of your post or page, you just have to click on it like this. If you want to italize it, if you want to underline, as you can see, that is the function of the underline button. And also if you want to cross out the text like this, you have to make use of this. Let's say you want to show your website visitor that you've crossed out this particular text. All you have to do is select the text and click on the button. So also if you want to apply color to your text, you have to come back here and select your color. As you can see, if you want to undo this, I'm going to do it like this. So also you have the text background. So let's say if I want to apply a sort of background to this text, all I have to do is come back here and select this. As you can see, you can do to as many as you want if you want to do it like this. So let me just undo the changes I made just now. So also if you want to apply a link to a web address or an email, you can come back here and click on this. If you want to link to a web address, let's say I want to link to jamiolorede.com. okay, then I'm going to click on OK. So do you want to open the link in a new window such a way that if someone clicks on this link, it's going to open another page where the visitor is going to go from the current page into the other page and is going to see what is right there? So also you can link to an email address. All you have to do is input the email address right here, and then this OK button is going to be active. Then you can save it by clicking on OK, and that is how to apply link to any text on your post or pages. If you want to apply an image, you have to come to this place, insert image. Let's say there is an image right here. All I have to do is come over here, insert image. Over here we have so many options we can actually choose from. The first one is to upload directly from your PC, where you're going to choose this button, and it's going to lead you to your files where you can select any image you want to display, and you're going to click on open, and the image is going to open on the post or page. So also, let's say you have some images you've uploaded to other posts on this blog, they are going to show up here. You can select them if you feel one of them is suitable for the content of the post or page you are trying to add an image into. So also, if you have Google album, if you have some images, you can always select them from there. Or if you want to select your image from your phone, and if you want to select an image from webcam. And also this one, very useful. Let's say you've seen a website where you want to grab the image. All you have to do is, for example, if I come back to this my website and I click on this image, let's say this is the image I want to use. All I have to do is copy image address, and then I'm going to come right here and paste the image here, and Blogger is going to fetch the image for me. Then if I want to add it to my blog post, you see the way it's going to display right away. It's obvious there are some other options right here, but I would like us to do that in the next video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video.